That's a soda pop from ZHOU, and you are watching Malak. In this acquire, we have some art from ZHOU. I hope that's how you say it. I think she goes by SHUZI Art on Instagram. I'll put up the handle. I can't remember if I'm remembering it right. Unfortunately, she does have a sticker here, but the English is covered up, so it's ne pas plier or something like that. Do not bend. Unfortunately, it was bent in my mailbox. You know, it isn't her fault. She did pay to have, the extra sticker on there, but I did that too once and it just doesn't work. If you're sending paper art, I feel like you have to be using cardboard or backing board, one of the two. I use both now because I'm so worried about that. Got a cute sticker. It's wrapped up in the plastic, very nice. I like her presentation, but probably should start using that. Luckily, the drawing is on, some form of kind of like a Bristol board, a thicker paper. So it's not really noticeable, but the drawing did get bent, which is unfortunate. Still a really pretty piece. I love the sunglasses. And that kind of, the way she's drawn hair, I really like. I think SHUZI is from Canada. She's got a sweet little note. Really lovely art. I love that drawing. It's cool. She's also been doing another style lately, and she's been putting out some new works, and I'm so frustrated because now I want those ones too, and I'm looking at them like, oh god, I almost wish I got that one. So you should check her out. Maybe buy one of her pieces. Really great artist. Hopefully she starts using backing board or cardboard at some point, because the mailmen, they do not care about your art, even if you put those fragile or do not bend stickers on or pay to have special treatment. It just doesn't work. As always, this is going to be on my Patreon. I'm going to put a reproduction up of it. If you want to help me support more artists, get more original artwork, and get more art books, I suggest checking out my Patreon. You can even have your name mentioned in the credits of videos if you want to choose that tier. Otherwise, you can just get free prints of the month and also check out reproductions of the art in my collection that we support. So hopefully you check it out. I hope you like the channel and the video, and I'll see you again. Take care.